Why do boats float but rocks sink? Have you ever wondered why rocks drop straight to the bottom of a lake, but boats glide smoothly across the water? This is one of those puzzling questions that people have been curious about for centuries. Let's start with the rock. When you toss a rock into the water, it sinks because it is denser than water. Density is like how tightly packed the material inside an object is. Imagine a box full of fluffy cotton balls versus the same box filled with heavy marbles. The box of marbles is denser, just like rocks. Now let's think about a boat. Boats float because they are designed to be less dense overall than water. Even though boats can be very heavy, they have large shapes. Most boats have lots of empty space inside them, like air pockets. This makes them lighter and less dense than the water underneath, so they float. To illustrate this idea, imagine a big cake topped with whipped cream. The whipped cream is so fluffy and light that it won't sink into the cake. The cake, like the rock, is dense, while the whipped cream is light and airy, like the inside of a boat. And there's another secret ingredient called buoyancy. This is the force that allows things to float. When a boat pushes down on the water pushes back up against the boat with enough strength to keep it afloat. This balancing push and pull happens because of the difference in densities. Once upon a time, scientists like Archimedes began to understand these mysteries of sinking and floating. Legend has it that when Archimedes took a bath, he noticed the water moved around him, and he shouted, "Eureka!" He realized that objects displace water, leading to the discovery of how things float. Now, when you see boats dancing across the waves or a rock disappear under the surface, you know the magic and the science behind it is density and buoyancy, working together to create a fascinating phenomenon.